Just got back from doing some fishing up in Lake Superior Provincial Park. We got some brook trout. I'm going to show you how we clean them up real quick and just cook them whole instead of filleting them out. First thing you need to do is get yourself a beer. After that, you got your fish, fillet knife. What you're going to do is you're going to put it in the tutor. You're going to clean all the way up, exposing all the internal insides. On an angle, you're going to cut both sides, and then you just snip through the spine. At that point, I don't clean the blade all the way up. Pull everything out. That goes in the discard pile. We then have this bloodline inside, so I just run a blade down it, and you can now rinse it out. Just with your thumb, it all comes out. And that's that. It's ready to go. Cleaned up. Just like that, peeled off and good to go. Dinner's on.